Hey, this is Roger. I'm going to show you how to put a fishing line in your bee frames. First thing you want to do is drill a 1/8 inch hole from your top bar down 3 inches, and the second hole at 6 inches on both ends. 3 inches down, 6 inches down. And you're going to take your fishing line. This is a heavy fishing line. I'm just using this where you can see it better. Normally it's about 10 pounds. This is 30 pounds, I think. But you're going to tie a double knot in it in the end. Just loop it through the loop twice and pull it tight. Then you're going to run it from the inside out through the top hole. And then you're going to put a staple there. Pull it down tight to the knot. Clip the extra off. Then you want to gauge how long your fishing line is to make it. I usually just go down and bring it down to the second hole, and then bring it over to the other end, make it a few inches longer where you have enough. Cut it there. Then you're going to bring your fishing line over to the top hole on the other end. Bring it through, and then go back through the bottom hole pull it to the other end, and then right here you're gonna tie a double knot about a 1/2 inch from the end. A double knot like you did the top one. You want to make it where the knot's about a 1/2 inch or so from the end. You're going to run it through the bottom hole. You can pull your knot tight and put your staple right there. Then you want to clip the extra off. And then you have fishing line in your frames. That's it.